Dude, how are we supposed to get a fire started?
Because there's a blizzard, we decided not to ski, so we have less gear to carry. But that means the trek will take longer. Let's see if it ends up working out.
Our path that we tracked over to the river is completely destroyed by all this snow.
We got it, don't worry.
We just need to walk that way for a very long time.
So how does one start a fire? That's for us to figure out. The firewood is soaking wet.
What wood doesn't really light on fire? They need warm water when we come back, and we can't. How are we?
Anybody that knows what to do just left.